Hello all viewers, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanchivaram silks. This is Rajni and I am back today with some beautiful hand-picked Kanchivaram sarees just for you. Let us start our episode today with this lovely Meenakshi violet saree with threads brocade weaving all over the body and intricate mango motifs that comes in the magenta border. This saree is priced 12,800. This is the open view for you. Next one is a lovely peacock blue with rich brocade weaving in green thread and golden zari buttas accompanied on the body and a small pavanchi border. This saree is priced 10,900. That's the pallu. Here comes a bridal saree with bright pink and steel grey in the border. Very unique combination with the dark shade in the body and light shade that comes in the pallu and border. The saree has got rich golden zari weaving in checks pattern and is priced 15,900. This is the picture for you. Next is another contrast combination similarly with the baby pink this time and grey in the borders. Rich silver zari weaving all over the body and golden zari comes in the borders and pallu, priced at 16,500. Next is a rich steel grey with the beautiful floral motifs. Brocade weaving comes in the body with the silver zari. That's the pallu, which is a combination of golden and copper zari. This is the blouse piece, priced at 16,800. Next is another bridal saree with a forest green and small nakshatra booties comes on the body and big wide border comes in the golden zari in the bottom part. This saree is priced 12,500. This is the picture for you. Next comes a grand tissue Kanchivaram in green. Rich golden zari weaving of floral and vines pattern comes on the body. This saree is priced at 14,900. That's the close view for you. Next comes a stunning Kanchivaram with navy blue and magenta combination. This masterpiece has got rich golden zari weaving with very complicated and intricate detailing. Here is the open view for you and this saree is priced 15,500. See the beauty of the saree. A very rich combination of golden as well as silver zari in the single saree. Next comes a Orissa design, multicolor thread work, rich weaving all over the body. It has got checks pattern with anams and here is the open view for you. This saree is priced at 12,500. Take a close view of the body and that's the pallu. Next is a beautiful rich grand golden tissue Kanchivaram which has got lovely silver zari weaving in unique pattern comes towards the border part. It is priced 17,900. Next is a korvai weaving with a very rare color combination of peach and navy blue. That's the richly woven grand pallu and this is the blouse piece. Lovely contrast combination, right? And the whole saree has got zari weaving, priced at 18,900. Next is a very unique striped pattern tissue Kanchivaram with metallic colors, mint green and golden yellow in the borders. That's the pallu and this saree is priced 17,900. This is the picture. We have another color in the similar design pattern. Here it is. Peach stripes pattern with golden yellow borders. A very unique contrast combination. These two sarees are priced 17,900 each. That's the pallu. Next one is a tissue Kanchivaram with a silver and baby pink combination. Very attractive rich silver zari weaving of floral pattern as you can see in the video, priced at 13,900. That's the pallu and the folded part is the blouse piece. Next is a very rich golden Kanchivaram with silver as well as golden zari weaving in the new and unique pattern on the body. Very distinctive look. It will sure be a showstopper for a wedding, priced at 17,500. That's the blouse piece. Next is a lovely combination of metallic green and orange. Very wide pavanchi borders comes on either sides of the saree and an enchanting look on the body in the tissue backdrop. This saree is priced 16,900. Take a look of the picture. Lovely contrast combination. Next is another tissue Kanchivaram with a very rare color. Teal green with the purple that comes piping on either sides of the saree and silver and golden zari buttas comes on the body. This saree is priced 14,500. That's the blouse and here is the open view. Next three sarees are tissue Kanchivarams with full plain body, solid without any weaving patterns. This is the silver which has got purple piping on either sides of the saree. It is priced 14,500. There is a designer pattern in the blouse and the pallu. Next is pinkish gold tissue Kanchivaram, again with the plain body, solid and beautiful, priced at 13,000 rupees. Next one is completely gold with the pink backdrop in the borders. That's the border and here is the body. This is also priced at 13,000 rupees. Next saree is a bridal Kanchivaram in orange and rani pink contrast border. Very minute buttas comes richly woven all over the body and a big border comes in the bottom part. This saree is priced 12,500. This is the picture for you. And the last saree in today's episode is here, baby pink and contrast green combination, very unique and is priced 16,500 which is currently on offer. To book your sarees, please send us the screenshot to WhatsApp number 70108 30303. See you all in the next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.